Hi, I'm Fazina Aziz and welcome to TudungPeople's channel. So, hari ni saya nak tunjuk macam mana penggayaan tudung yang simple match dengan baju raya yang printed. So today I'm wearing like a printed peplum. So I'm looking for gaya tudung yang simple, yang tak nak overbearing. Preferably because peplum dia akan kecil kat bahagian pinggang and then dia akan kembang balik. Jadi I want to have tudung yang tak volume dekat atas kepala and then it covers well, especially dekat bahagian dada dengan pinggang. This is the style that I use Zayra, because Zayra is an oblong. So bila kita pakai dia akan immediately create that oval punya look, because I don't want to miss all these detailings on my baju. And then most importantly, it's dia labuh depan dan belakang. Start off dekat bahagian 3/4 shawl macam ni. Sebelah ni pendek, sebelah ni panjang. The pin to the other side macam ni. Okay, boleh kemaskan. Because this is a curved shawl, so it's really easy. Boleh terus jadi macam cantik curve. And take the longer part, pusing. Dan boleh pin terus dekat sini. Alright, so you're done. Apa yang best bila kita pakai oblong shawl is the fact that it already comes with this cascade ni effect, and then bila kita pakai dekat bawah pun dia betul-betul dah terus oval, dah terus cantik. So senang untuk pakai, tak perlu macam nak pastikan pin tu terletak to create that kind of oval punya look. This is how it looks like from in front and this is how it looks like dekat belakang. It covers both depan dan belakang. So you want to know more about Zayra, you can just click on the link down below. Thank you for watching.